Hi everyone, we're going to prove using the principle of mathematical induction that n times the quantity of n squared plus 5 is a multiple of 6. And this is for all positive integers n. So the first thing we need to do is show that it's true for n equals 1. So plug in 1. And that gives you 6. And 6 is a multiple of 6. Now, for step 2, we've got to assume, so if we assume that it's true for n equals k, then prove it's true for n equals k plus 1. So the first thing we're going to do is write this with k. And we're assuming that this is true, so it is a multiple of 6. All right, so that's assuming true. Now we got to prove that it works for k plus 1. So everywhere there's a k, put k plus 1. And we're trying to prove that it's a multiple of 6. So what I'm going to do is distribute this. This is k plus 1 cubed plus 5 times k plus 1. All right. Now, with our binomial expansion, especially if you're at this level of math, you should know your binomial expansion on this is k cubed plus 3k squared plus 3k plus 1. It comes from Pascal's triangle, and it's a fairly simple expansion for that. And then we have plus 5k plus 1. Now let's rearrange this, because what we want is a bunch of multiples of 6. So I'm going to combine k cubed plus 5k. The reason I'm putting these two together is because I want it to look like this, because we already know that's a multiple of 6. And then, this should be a 5. I'm going to group my 3k's, the 3k stuff. And then I added those two, gives you 6. All right, so here I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to factor out a k. And I get k squared plus 5. So I already know that this is a multiple of 6. Here I'm going to factor out a 3k and give k plus 1. Right? Yeah, k plus 1. And then here is just 6. This is a multiple of 6. This is a multiple of 6. So the only thing we have to worry about is this a multiple of 6? And this is going to be a multiple of 6 because k or k plus 1 must be even. So if you look at, let's let k be even. If k is even, and we have 3 times 2, and the next one would be 2, so I'm letting k equal 2, an even number. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. Well, there's your 6 right there, so that's a multiple of 6. So let's let k be odd. So let's let k equal 1, or you can let it equal 3. But if k is odd, then you get 3 times 1 times 2. And that gives you 6, which is also a multiple of 6. So given that we have this, that k or k plus 1 must be even, then you know that this is also a multiple of 6. So all of these are multiples of 6. And the sum of the multiples of 6 is going to be a multiple of 6. And that is it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.